Hi there, Melody from WTI. I wanted to talk to you about this 3-piece spatula set from UTaste for a lot of reasons. So first of all, I love the colors. Then again, I love blue. But seriously, I do like this for a lot of other reasons as well. So it is made Bpa Free Silicone, which is amazing, yet it's very high quality. It's all made with one piece like this, so you don't have to worry about the end ever coming off and getting all that gunk in there. Or sometimes when you're in the middle of mixing, it slides off because of wear and tear. This won't happen with this. 600 degrees Fahrenheit, heat resistant. So it's going to be awesome while you're doing your cooking, your baking in the oven, on the stove. It's even great for serving. I'm really, really happy with the set. It's very sturdy, yet it's not too flexible here. You can hang it if you have little hooks you want to hang it on. There's just all one piece. There's just so many things I love about this set. It also comes in a lot of different colors as well. So if you're looking for a very reliable, dishwasher safe silicone spatula set, I highly suggest this one. I'm very happy with it and I know you will be too, and that's my point of view.